These notes are from Profitnama's NISM Research Analyst Guidebook. The link is provided in the description below. Now, let's learn about monetary policies and their impact on the economy. Monetary policies are measures administered by a central bank to manage the money supply, inflation, and interest rates. The goal is to promote economic growth while ensuring price stability. There are two main types of monetary policies. Expansionary monetary policy. This policy increases the money supply significantly and lowers interest rates. It is used to stimulate economic growth, especially during slow economic periods. Contractionary monetary policy. This policy reduces or slowly increases the money supply while raising interest rates. It is designed to cool down an overheated economy by slowing down inflation. To carry out these policies, central banks use several tools. The repo rate is the rate at which the central bank lends money to commercial banks. The reverse repo rate is the rate at which the central bank borrows money from commercial banks. The cash reserve ratio, CRR, is the minimum percentage of total deposits that commercial banks must hold as cash reserves with the central bank. The statutory liquidity ratio, SLR, is the minimum percentage of total deposits that commercial banks must hold in cash equivalents, such as gold and government securities. There are also challenges and considerations when it comes to monetary policy. One major issue is that there is no universal formula. Economic problems like slowing growth, inflation, and exchange rate management require tailored solutions. Similar actions in different economies can lead to very different outcomes. Another concern is the possibility of unintended consequences. Policies aimed at solving one problem might create new issues. For example, increasing the money supply, stimulating growth, or lowering taxes can boost a stagnant economy, but it may also lead to inflation. On the other hand, raising taxes or reducing government spending to cool down the economy can reduce money in circulation, but it might result in slow economic growth and high unemployment in the long run. I hope you have understood this topic by now. If you have any confusion or need help, don't hesitate to contact us. We are here to assist you. This guidebook is available as a downloadable PDF and in printed book format with cash on delivery options. You can find the link in the description below. Become a Profitnama member today to access all our website content and get doubt clearing support on WhatsApp. Visit Profitnama today.